Mariana Trench. While thousands of climbers have successfully scaled Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, only two people have descended to the planet's deepest point, the Challenger deep in the Pacific Ocean's Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific east of the Philippines and an average of approximately 124 miles, which is 200 kilometers, east of the Mariana Islands. The Mariana Trench is a crescent-shaped scar in the Earth's crust that measures more than 1,500 miles, which is 2,550 kilometers, long and 43 miles, which is 69 kilometers wide. On average, the distance between the surface of the ocean and the trench's deepest point, the Challenger Deep, which lies about 200 miles (322 kilometers) southwest of the U.S. territory of Guam, is nearly 7 miles (11 kilometers). If Mount Everest were dropped into Mariana Trench, its peak would still be more than a mile (1.6 kilometers) underwater. The Mariana Trench is a part of a global network of deep troughs that cut across the ocean floor. They formed when two tectonic plates collide at the collision point. One of the plates drives beneath the other into the Earth's mantle, creating an ocean trench. The depths of Mariana Trench were first plumbed in 1875 by the British ships HMS Challenger as the part of first global oceanographic cruise. The Challenger scientists recorded a depth of 4,475 fathoms, about 5 miles, or 8 kilometers. Using a weighted sound probe in 1951, the British vessel HMS Challenger 2 returned to the spot with an echo sounder and measured a depth of nearly 7 miles, 11 kilometers. The majority of the Mariana Trench is now a U.S. protected zone as part of the Mariana Trench Marine National Monument established by President George Bush in 2009. Permits for research in the monument, including in the Serenity, have been secured from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Permits for research in the Challenger Deep have been secured from the Federated States of Micronesia. Historic depth. Because of its extreme depth, the Mariana Trench is cloaked in perpetual darkness and the temperature is just a few degrees above freezing. The water pressure at the bottom of the trench is crushing 8 tons per square inch, or about 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. Pressure increases with depth. The first and only time humans descended into Challenger Deep was more than 50 years ago. In 1960, Jacques Piccard and Navy Limited Don Walsh researched this goal in a U.S. Navy submersible, a bathyscaphe called the Trisit. After 5 hours descent, the pair spanned bottom and were unable to take any photograph due to clouds of sleet stirred up at their passage. Until Pickard and Walsh's historic died, scientists had debated whether life could exist under such extreme pressure, but at the bottom, the trace light illuminated a creature that Pickard thought was a flatfish, a moment that Pickard would later describe with excitement in a book about his journey.